Marcus is so strong. Davizioso still holds the Marcus is so strong. Davizioso still holds the advantage from the Ducati. They're through 5, they're through 6, they're coming up to 7, then over the rise to 8. Has Davizioso done enough? So Marcus coming again.
It's now one ever surely turn number 9. Marquez is surely going to have a lunge up the inside of Andrea Davizioso. Davizioso got the grunt on the Ducati. He shuts the door in turn number 9. Andrea Davizioso now just one corner away. Marquez tries to ride around the outside of Davizioso. And it's now one ever surely turn number 9. Marquez is surely going to have a lunge up.
Is that Davizioso? I think it is. There's fire from the Ducati. Oh, what a jump!
Davizioso got the grunt on the Ducati. He shuts the door in turn number 9. Andrea Davizioso now just one corner away. Marquez tries to ride
as well. Andrea Davizioso wins a magnificent race here in Austria from Marquez. What have done it again?
What a race, a thriller. Halfway round this final lap, they just clipped through the second sector and the gap. And the lunge on the inside, here we go, Marcus, they almost done. Davizioso's going to win it. They come through turn number 9.
Lucky man, Marcus, when he held on to it as he often does, and Davizioso was not able to take the. When he held on to it as he often does, and Davizioso was not able to take the. Davizioso was not able to take the advantage up towards the hair.
Is that Davizioso? I think it is. There's fire from the Ducati. Oh, what a dramatic start. Davizioso's down, the bike's on fire. Maybe the tyre air fence is on fire as well.
Can he make it through? Davizioso leads in Japan.
He's got through. He's through the tunnel. They're coming up towards the victory curve.
Turn 12 for Davizioso. Austria. Marquez comes through at the final corner.
Davizioso has done it here in Japan. His 5th victory of the season. The championship.
Top 6 for Suzuki in 4th. Rin's a brilliant 5th. Jorge Lorenzo 6th. Johan Zarco. What a short lap between with the last couple of laps. What a win! What a win in terms of Davizioso. And again, he gets the final lap showdown. He's made 3 years on the trot here in Qatar. 3 successive second place finishes. Can he go one better? He's a
carbon copy of 1 year ago. You knew Marquez was going to throw the kitchen sink. It came, bolts knots galore, but he couldn't make it stick. He picked up Davizioso. In just 0.02 of a second, just like
り曲がり